Welcome to the another thrilling episode of Revit Mastery 5-minute tutorial for beginners to pro with me, Ani. We all work with the Revit as they have provided us great interface that has everything just on the screen. But sometimes we need something that reduces clicking steps and shifting the tabs. So in today's episode, we will be working something that will help us to increase our productivity, that is our Revit shortcuts. Let's jump into the top most known Revit shortcut that will help us to navigating Revit. But before that, just let's understand how the Revit shortcuts to be customized. So to do that, just open your Revit application and create any one of the project, and after that just click on File, click on Options, and here we got the Options window pop up. So after that, to customize the keyboard shortcut, just click on user interface and here you will get the keyboard shortcuts. So just click on customize. This shortcut window will have a filter through which we can just categorize which kind of shortcut we want to customize or to create. So for now, just let it be as it is. We will see all the defined shortcuts which are Revit itself defined this for us. So if you see here we have the command, whatever command we are going to give. After that, here we assign the shortcut and here is the path. The most important thing here we will be seeing here is that is the how to assign the shortcut. Here if you see, press a new keys. If I click here, I want to remove it, I just remove it. I just type H, Shift H, and here I got Shift H shortcut for modify. But let's just make it as it is. So what it was MD. So assign this one also. So we can assign different shortcut for the same command, or we can delete the particular command and change the shortcut the way we want. After that, here if you see, we can export the shortcuts through Revit, or we can import the new ones. So if you see, here is a specific file format which is .xml, and there are two other formats, but mostly it works with the XML format. So that's it for us. We just discard all the changes and here we go. After going to the Revit, our project, let's just understand the basic shortcuts, such as if I want to create a wall, just WA, click create a wall. What if I want to copy the same wall? I can use Ctrl copy, Ctrl V. This is another way to use it. Either if I want to cut a wall from particular place and paste it another place, so I can just click on Ctrl X and again click on Ctrl V. It is showing me the another position of wall. If I want to mirror this wall, just click on MM. Here we have the particular and here we get a mirror axis. Okay, if you want to align something, AL, it is for align. This is the particular, and yeah, we got aligned. So another thing we want to do here is the move. So to use the move command, just click on MV. So here we have. So as you can see, if we compare this to the AutoCAD, here we have very simple shortcut. Just click on two initials from the exact word and you will get your shortcut. Such as if I want to change the unit system, just click on UN, and here I got a project units bar. So here you can change the project units. If I want to change for visual graphics, just click on VG, and here we get that tab through which we can change anything, the stuff we want. So this is all about the basics of the shortcut. In screen you are seeing the all other shortcuts which are defined in the Revit project. I will be sharing with you the PDF in which we will get all the shortcuts for you. For now, just for time being, if you want to know shortcuts which are already defined in the Revit, just go to the any one of the icon just hover over it and you will get the shortcuts name or a shortcut button. Okay, so here if you go to the paste from keyboard, here we will see the Ctrl+V. But see, shortcut just help you to minimize the activity if it is redundant, but sometimes we need some particular thing, so that time we need to use what Revit have provided us exactly. So there we don't have that shortcut. Okay, so like if you see in the join, here we don't have that shortcut if I hover over it. So these are the basic shortcuts which we'll be using in our projects, upcoming projects. So that's it guys for today's video. So there you have it, BIM Wizard's essential keyboard shortcut that will transform you into the Revit virtuoso. Practice them, make them your own, and watch as your productivity soars to the new heights. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this shortcut enchanting. That make sure to subscribe to the BIM with Ani for more competitive Revit Mastery tutorials, also for your favorites. Also share your favorites keyboard shortcut in the comment below. Let's exchange magical knowledge and accelerate our BIM journey together. Until next time, keep casting those BIM spills and navigating Revit like a true scorers. See you in the next adventures. Thank you.